Toxicity in Marriage, Lesson 2.
Honor your marriage and its vows. Hebrews 13 verse 4.
How can you tell that your marriage is now toxic?
Rachel Pace defines a toxic marriage as one where both or one of the partners causes unhealthy mental, physical, and emotional issues.
7 signs of a toxic marriage.
Phone stalking.
Someone who is not secure in the relationship may browse their spouse's phone to see who they are communicating with. This is a sign of broken trust. The marriage is on the verge of collapse.
Verbal put-downs.
When a spouse is constantly using condemnatory, sarcastic, or contemptuous words, they are dehumanizing the other. They are communicating the value they have attached to their partner.
Verbal manipulation.
When there is little value attached to a spouse, there will always be verbal manipulation. The will of the other individual becomes of little or no consequence. Emotional blackmail becomes the weapon of winning arguments.
Silent treatment.
This is a destructive tool that is used in toxic marriages. Someone once said, "Spiteful words hurt your feelings, but silence can break your heart."
Abuse.
Intimate partner violence, IPV, is a sign of the gulf that has been created between husband and wife. It shows how broken the relationship is.
Financial secrecy and indiscipline.
When there is true love, there will always be transparency in financial matters. Family budgeting will be easily done. However, when one spends as they please and hides the money from the other, the marriage is in danger.
Sexual deprivation.
When one withholds sex as punishment, they are leading towards a sexless marriage where sexual desires are quelled outside marital boundaries. Our prayer is that we may nip toxicity symptoms in the bud. I'm yours truly, Skhumbuzo Dube.
And I'm Soneni Dube.